for the senses. There are so many things to do on the Jim. Where do I start? With every Norwegian cruise, it all begins with freestyle cruising. Freestyle cruising is freedom. Freedom to do what you want, when you want. With 12 different restaurants, the Jim has a dining experience for whatever mood you're in. The Orchid Garden Complex is full of Asian delights, from Thai and Chinese to sushi, and the amazing Teppanyaki Japanese steakhouse. Or maybe you're in the mood for classic American fine dining. Treat yourself to Cagney Steakhouse, where the filet and lobster will rival anything you can find on land. But the Jim is so much more than just food. Play basketball or tennis on the outdoor course. Take an instructor-led yoga or Pilates class at Body Waves Fitness Center. Or have an amazing workout on state-of-the-art fitness equipment. Then find your peace in the Yin and Yang Spa, where your spa treatments will soothe your body and your soul. Your peace can begin before you take your cruise when you book with CruiseNow.com. Our personal cruise guides are NCL experts and will answer all of your questions and will find you the best accommodations and rates. We may even give you a bowling tip. Speaking of bowling, can you believe you can go bowling on a cruise?